girls, it's a reset kinder day and we're going to be organizing, cooking, restocking, and of course relaxing, which is what Sundays are all about in my home. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm one of those people that absolutely love making sure my bathroom is stocked, because I hate looking for tissue and then I realize that my tissue is run out or is there anything like run out, guys? But you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Like you want to use tissue and then you notice that you don't have no more tissue, or you want to use toothpaste or something like that. So I love to go kind of toiletry shopping at the beginning of the month and just buy a few things that I know that are gonna last us for a while, from soap to toothpaste, to floss, all those good stuff. So that is exactly where I'm actually coming back from. I went to Walmart and I picked up all our toiletries, and I'm just gonna go ahead and restock and organize everything where they're supposed to be. And if you know me well, you know that I love getting everything organized, because it makes it so much easier for you to manage your home when everything is kind of where they are all supposed to be, right? Like if you let's say I'm thinking of maybe a deodorant or something like that. Okay, I know where the deodorant is, and this also applies to my kitchen. Like I love everything being organized and put in place, so that way it makes it so much easier, to know where everything is. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I restocked my vanity in the bathroom, and then over here I'm just adding Q-tip and some cotton wool gauze, so I'm just gonna go ahead and restock all those things. And this is kind of one thing I absolutely love to do, especially on my Sunday reset. Of course, this is not something I do every Sunday reset, but like I said, it's something I love to do at least once a month, even though some of those things don't run out like every single month, but at least having it in bulk makes it so much easier for me to make sure that I have all those things so they don't just run out unexpectedly. That was the right word I was looking for at the beginning. And of course, you know how we do it here. If there's anything you see in my videos that you love, definitely check my description box, because like any video of mine you watch, best believe that everything you see like in my home, from my living room to my kitchen to my bathroom, anything, even what I have on, guys, everything about me is always in my description box. So if there's anything you see here that you like, from the organizers to the products, whatever it is, just make sure you check out my description box, because best believe they are always there. And of course, if you find this video entertaining, if you find it helpful, definitely hit that like button below, because it really does help. And your girl here is trying to make sure there is always fresh content every single week on this channel. So definitely hit the like button if you would like to see like more home lifestyle fashion videos. You guys know that like I'm well-rounded, guys. I just love being able to be helpful in the home aspects, or if you're just interested in kind of looking good as a married woman, as a mom, as a regular girl, like if you just love all those things, definitely stick around on this channel, because I'm all about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home, everything all in one package. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, we are all done. And of course, the last thing is to go ahead and add this gorgeous bathroom rug. I actually picked this up from Walmart, and this has been with me for the past, I believe, 3 or 4 years, and it's like whenever I put it in the washing machine, wash it up and put it back in my bathroom, it looks brand new. I absolutely love that spa and bait rug. It's yum 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 food time, guys. If you know me well, you know I love me some food. So this is actually a meal I made the previous week, before this week. And guys, hey, for long I've been craving fried rice and chicken. And let me tell you guys, I absolutely love fried rice, but for some reason fried rice is actually not like a staple food. Let's say let's say I'm craving for rice, right? The first thing that always comes to my head is jollof rice or rice and stew. I mean, fried rice is something that is a meal that I absolutely love, but for some reason I always don't think about it. Please let me know if that happens to you, because I love fried rice a lot, like I said, but it's something that I cook once in a while. So I was just craving for fried rice, and as you guys can see, I went ahead and added my chicken. Like, I seasoned up my chicken, added it in my baking tray, tossed it right inside the oven. And over here I'm making the fried rice. And of course, for your rice, like for me personally though, that is how I love to make my fried rice. I love to add a lot of curry inside the water, boil up the water a little bit, and then add my rice, then wash out the rice. And then I love to make a little bit of a sauce, like onion, and then I add my beef stock inside the onion, cook it up a little, and then add the rice inside it. And of course, set that aside, and then I prepare my veggies. As you guys can see, I have my green beans, I have my carrots. I love to use some sweet corn and also peas. And sometimes I love to use liver, a little bit of liver, even though I'm not a big fan of liver. And another thing I've noticed is whenever I use liver to make my fried rice, it makes the fried rice sour. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So please let me know if you've also found that out. I always exclude liver from my fried rice because for some reason it just makes it sour. I don't understand it. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead and I fried up all those vegetables, and then over here I'm gonna go ahead and season with some adobo, some curry, some knorr cubes, and all those good stuffs. Just add up everything, mix it well, because you need the vegetables to taste really, really good. Just as you've already made the rice is set aside, is ready. And once I get all the vegetables mixed up and seasoned well and cooked well, I just simply go ahead and add all the vegetables inside the rice and then mix it up. And like, fried rice takes me less than an hour to make, guys. It's very, very easy, it's very simple. But I remember when I used to struggle with fried rice, like I would do it in like different ways, but this is like the easiest and the most simple way to make fried rice, and it tastes amazing. Like, yum, it tastes really, really good. After a whole week of hustling and bustling, guys, of course, Sundays is the perfect day, is the beginning of the week, and of course, the perfect day to just go ahead and take it easy, relax, have fun. And for me personally, I love my Netflix, guys. I always take Sundays to, of course, go to church, come back, and then we'll relax as a family, watch Netflix. Or sometimes the kids, of course, they have TV in their room. Hobby might be watching TV in our bedroom, the kids are watching theirs, and then I'm just relaxed in the living room watching a movie. And of course, I'm also a fan of watching a movie and eating, or just picking on things and putting inside my mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and just prepare my snack tray. As you guys can see, I added some lemonade inside my tumbler, and I'm going to go ahead and just add my plate on the tumbler. This actually goes with the Stanley tumbler. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and add some few snacks, my cashew nuts, some cookies, some gummies, and that's it, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and relax and enjoy my Sunday. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, don't forget to hit that like button below. And till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Subscribe, guys. Bye.